And this is Spider Iron Hulk.
Ah! Now look at you done. Now they're all crazy.
Are you mad?
Yes, because they don't like the same.
Are you mad?
Yes, because you don't like the same. They don't look good. I'm so pissed off with you. Like this doesn't follow the pattern.
Okay.
Remember. You remember the rules?
Nope, I don't know any rules.
Remember. The same when since we put them back together like the benchers.
Mm-hmm.
You have to put like like this. See?
No.
You have like red.
I don't want to do it like that.
But and you put Iron Man here and get his helmet, and you will like Iron Man. Like that.
Yeah, well, Mommy didn't want to do that.
Then he looks like the same. Now we have this Iron Man.